Understanding, Shoot a Line, a guide to English idioms. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, shoot a line. This idiom can be tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. When someone says they're shooting a line, they're not talking about photography or fishing. This phrase actually means to brag or boast about oneself in an attempt to impress others. It often has a negative connotation, suggesting that what's being said may not be completely true or is exaggerated. The idiom, shoot a line, has its roots in British English and can be traced back to the early 20th century. The line here is metaphorical, referring to a series of words or a story, much like a fisherman might spin a line to catch a fish. Now let's put our phrase into action. If you say, "He's always shooting a line about how much money he makes," you're implying that he tends to boast about his wealth, and it might not be entirely true. There are several other idioms with similar meanings. For example, tooting your own horn, or blowing smoke. All these phrases convey the idea of self-praise or embellishment. And that's all there is to shoot a line. Remember, while it's great to share your achievements, it's also important to stay humble and honest. We hope this video has helped clarify this interesting English idiom for you. Happy learning, and see you next time!